unbox a PR package with me. Lovely Ali sent me a package. I just want to thank them. I gotta show y'all like this so y'all don't see my addy. Look at the packaging, it's real cute, classy and girly. And everything pink and pretty. Drum roll, please. Sent me so many lip glosses. All of the lip glosses, I believe, have 5 different oils. All of them are scented.
This one is Golden Sunset and it is vanilla scented.
Isn't this one of the prettiest lip gloss you ever seen? Look at the detailing on that.
This one is the Pink Barbie gloss that's black cherry scented and it smells really good. This one is peachy and it's vanilla scented, and I smelled all of them off camera so I wouldn't look like a weirdo, but they all smell so good and juicy. This one is hot cocoa and it's chocolate scented, and it really does smell like hot cocoa, and hot cocoa is one of my favorite scents, so thank you. This one is called Auburn Fall and it is pineapple scented.
This packaging really got me. Isn't that the cutest thing? Have biodegradable lashes, okay?
It reads, our bio lashes are made of the certain biodegradable materials which can be degraded in the soil gradually without leaving anyone else on earth. Like vegan lashes, bio lashes are also made of natural materials to make these false lashes safe and healthy.
These are Less Majestic mink lashes, Brown Sugar and Love mink lashes, the Star Mink and Sunny Day mink lashes,
Golden Hour mink lashes with the Pink Passion mink lashes. Pink Passion and Golden Hour. We got the Moolah mink lashes, and we got the Purple Gaze. Moolah and Purple Gaze.
They sent me a bunch of extra lash clamps. Like, it's probably 10 of them in there. Like,
This made the rest of my evening, and I appreciate y'all so much. Last but surely not least, we have some extra
spoolies. They sent me some really cute spoolies.
detail on this one. It's like glittery pink. Throw it in your purse real quick when you out at dinner. You could just freaking brush your lashes or your eyebrows, whichever you're gonna use it for. Thank you so much again, Lovely Ali Cosmetics, for all of my goodies that you sent me. Thank you for the PR package
And the beautiful packaging.
Make sure y'all go shop till you drop.